G'day everyone, welcome to the channel. Just here to give you a quick update on what's happening. Even though that Melbourne lockdown is well and truly over, we can travel up to 25 kilometres from home and the shops have opened up the last couple of days. I've started work now the last couple of weeks, so I've been too busy to do anything. So basically I was in lockdown but couldn't go anywhere, but I wasn't working, and now I'm working. We're free to go, but I can't go because I'm working, so it's just total opposite. But anyway, all's well here, and I basically will do a review of my new Apple Watch in the next couple of days. I'm actually wearing it now. I'll just show you the watch. There it is. It's a brilliant watch. I love it, and we'll do a review soon. And there you go, turn it back on. But I hope everyone's well. Sorry about that click. That's my little shorty GoPro extender thingy, tripod thingy. It clicks into place sometimes when I press it, but I hope everyone's well. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.